Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a star projector light, pretty much like a night light, but it has the stars or the cosmos, planets, whatever. It projects onto either your ceiling or your wall. But first in the box is the manual. The cable powering it up would be USB-C, and these are different plates for you to be able to change the planets and or the stars, the star belts or whatever you call it. It does have a remote, and I'm pretty sure no batteries included. Here's the projector itself. No batteries. But here's the projector itself. Like I said, this is where the discs go. For if you want to change the different stars. This one is pretty cool. I'll show you in a bit what it does. It does say when you turn it on, it says Bluetooth. That's for the remote control sensor, so you point it at that. But when you power it on, it will say Bluetooth. USB, if you want to add your own music to it, you could do that as well. Kickstand, if you want to angle it towards the wall, or flat for the ceiling. Pretty convenient. Let's power it up. So it is your regular USB to plug into the USB, and USB-C that goes into the projector itself. And the connection is kind of hidden, but it's okay. More convenient anyways. There it is. So again, the green light to the left would be for the cosmos, and this one would be for the planets. So they give you two different discs, so you have more options to choose from. So if you want to take it off and put in the other one to try something else for a different night, convenient. But let's see how it looks like in the dark. Turn off this light, and there it is. It's pretty bright, so like I said, for a night light, pretty great. If you like staring into the night sky, this will be pretty perfect for you and or your kids. It's pretty cool. Imagine waking up to go pee-pee and you wake up to this. Oh yeah. But anyways guys, 15% code in the link down below if you guys are interested. 15% off code in the link down below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.